Good morning, Year 2, and welcome to Tuesday's maths lesson. Today we're going to be moving on from looking at meters, and today we're going to be comparing two lengths together. So today you're going to need a pencil and a piece of paper and the worksheet ready for after the PowerPoint. So let's have a look at the lesson for today. So, as I said a second ago, we are going to be comparing lengths today. So looking at two lengths and looking at what is similar and what is different about them. Okay, so to warm our brains up first, let's have a look at this question. So it's asking us, what do you know and what can you find out about the lengths of the pencils? So I'd like you to pause the video here and have a look at the length of these two pencils. What can you find out by looking at these pictures? Off you go. Okay, hopefully you have unpaused the video and you are now, you have lots of ideas about what you have been able to see. So let's talk through some of the ideas that we can see. So the first one, the length of the pencil. So the first length of the pencil, the blue one down here, we can see the end of the pencil finishes at 8 centimeters, which is here. You can see my mouse is here, 8 centimeters. If we look at our yellow pencil, I'm going to check that it starts at 0. It does, which is really good. And I'm going to go all the way to the top of the pencil and we can see it is 10 centimeters long. So we have 8 centimeter pencil and a 10 centimeter pencil. Okay, next, the combined length. Now, the word combined means we have added the two lengths together. So we've added 8 and 10 to make 18. So if we were to put the blue pencil on top of the yellow pencil, it would be 18 centimeters long. 8 and 10 equals 18. And the last thing is the difference in the length. So when we're looking at the difference in the lengths, we are looking at how bigger one is than the other. So the blue is 8 centimeters and the yellow is 10 centimeters. So the difference between 8 and 10, so 8, 9, 10 is 2. So the difference is 2 centimeters between the two pencils. Okay, hopefully you are nice and warmed up and ready to move on with the lesson. So let's have a look at this question together. So we have a picture of our ruler, we have a rubber and a sharpener. And the question says, choose a word to complete the sentence. Now, when we did these questions, when we first came back after lockdown, a few of these questions came up in the test that we did. Now, lots of you added words to the sentences that weren't one of the options, okay? So a lot of you were thinking of your own words to add in the sentence, which is brilliant, well done for doing that. But if they give you words to choose from, you need to make sure that you use the words they have given you, okay? So for in this question, you either have to use the word shorter or longer. You can't use your own word like taller or thinner or smaller. You have to use the two words that they have given you, okay? So the rubber is, then the sharpener. So let's have a look and see how long where is my pencil? There it is. How long the rubber is. So they've drawn their line here. I'm going to make it a bit easier for you to see. There you go. So does our rubber start at 0? Yes, it does. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to draw a 6 on the rubber. Okay, now if we look at the sharpener, they haven't started at 0, which if we were just measuring the sharpener would make it really difficult because we wouldn't be able to see exactly how long it is. However, we need to work out what the difference is between 8, where it starts, and 12, where it ends. Okay, because we can still see how long it is. We just need to count these numbers up here. So pause the video for me now and count how many jumps do you need to do to get from 8 to 12. Okay, hopefully you unpaused your video and you've joined back. So let's count together. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we can see that the sharpener is 4 centimeters long, and we can see, because Miss Denton's drawn the lines down either side, It starts at 8 and it ends at 12, and there are 4 jumps between 8 and 12. So we know the rubber is 6 centimeters and the sharpener is 4 centimeters. So the rubber is longer than the sharpener. I'm just going to write an L. The sharpener is shorter than the rubber. So 4 is a smaller number than 6, so it is shorter than 6. Okay, brilliant. So he's saying, but it says it's 12, but we can see that the sharpener starts at 8. So we need to count from 8 and not from 0. Okay. Okay. Let me get rid of my annotations. Clear all. Brilliant. Okay, true or false? The yellow pencil is longer than the orange pencil. Pause the video for me and have a go at this one. The yellow pencil is longer than the orange pencil. Okay. Hopefully you've just joined us back after pausing. So it says it's false. Both pencils are the same length. So let's check this. Do both pencils start at 0? Yes, they do. Let's have a look at our brown pencil. It goes all the way down to 10. Let's have a look at our yellow pencil. It starts at 0 and it goes all the way to 10. So both pencils are equal to each other. They are both 10 centimeters long. Okay, now let's have a look at these. So we're using our less than, greater than, or equal to signs. Now tell me, remember the crocodile always wants to eat the bigger number. Okay, so are these correct or incorrect? Let's have a look. 22 centimeters is greater than 10. So you can see that our crocodile has his mouth open towards the 22. He wants to eat the 22. Thumbs up or thumbs down, is that correct? Good, 22 is a bigger number than 10. Okay, next one. 20 meters, remember a meter, 1 meter is a big stick, big meter stick. So 20 meter sticks, that's massive. 20 meters is equal to 2 meters. Thumbs up or thumbs down, what do we think? Yeah, thumbs down. 20 meters is massive, it's huge. And 2 meters is probably 2 of our tables together. Okay, so 20 meters is a lot bigger than 2 meters. So the crocodile should be wanting to eat the 20 meters, so it's not equal. Okay, 10 meters and 10 centimeters. So here they're saying the crocodile wants to eat the 10 centimeters. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Yeah, thumbs down. Again, 10 meters, that's really big. 10 centimeters is tiny, okay? It's on your ruler that you use in your books. It's tiny, tiny, okay? So 10 meters is bigger than 10 centimeters. There we go. Okay, what I would like you to do now is I am going to show you your worksheet. So this is your worksheet for today. I would like you to work through all of the questions. So there's 2 pages, goes all the way to 7, and I'd like you to have a go and upload it for me once you have finished. So the questions are very similar to what we've been doing on the PowerPoint. So if you get stuck, you can always go back through to this video and have a look at how we did it together and see if you can have a go on your worksheet. I'm looking forward to seeing them all later. Have a lovely day. Bye.